Veteran politician and Congress MLA Y. Irabor is leaving Congress to join BJP Manipur Pradesh. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam stresses need for state medical legal service to ensure justice for rape victims. At least 10 students are injured in scuffle between RPS protesters and police at Palace compound. And Neroka creates history by storming into final of Durand Cup at Ambedkar Stadium in New Delhi. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news of the day. The state is likely to witness new developments in different political parties as the assembly election draws nearer. The veteran politician and Congress MLA Yumkham Irabor is leaving the Congress party to join BJP Manipur Pradesh. Irabor represents Wanghai constituency. Sources indicate that he is likely to submit his resignation paper to the party president tomorrow. A large number of his supporters today urged him to leave the Congress party and join another party. They held a meeting at his place at Khurai from morning till noon and took several resolutions. Laishram Memcha, who fought and lost the Imphal Municipal Corporation election on a Congress ticket and is organization secretary of the Wanghai Block Congress Committee, told media persons that the people are fed up of the Congress government led by the Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh and decided to hold the meeting. She said Wanghai seems to have two MLAs. She alleged that the government does not show due respect to the Congress MLA he deserves. Memcha said the people of Wanghai will not support the Congress candidate and will work against the Congress government so that it will return to the power. It may be mentioned that Y. Irabor was elected from the constituency for the first time in 1980 and served as Congress Minister.
Emily Masa Kangdavida, Aduki Matik Yamla, Miamna, Akoji BJP, Akoji support Tauraga, Akoi Congress government, Kizere, Akogi, Wankai Kendra, Haidiba, Congress government, Lagum Chi, Atopa, Kainoma government, Amasim, the Bida Mag support Taure, Haina Yamla, Miam, the Wadi Amad Lobogalina, Akoi Emily and Laura decision to that, Akoi Puna Prazamaya, Puna Satmina, Hyper Philips, Amato and a Camille, Lepsare.
Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam today stressed the need for state medical legal service to ensure justice for victims and survivors of rape by punishing those guilty of sexual violence against women in the state. Speaking at the one-day national seminar on investigation of rape, a multidisciplinary approach at Jennings Auditorium, Gai Khangam expressed grave concern at the rise in cases of rape and violence against women in the state. He said the victims have not been given justice due to lack of evidence and proper means of investigation. Gai Khangam also cited the absence of full-fledged forensic science department as one of the reasons for failure to ensure justice to victims. He stressed the need for a well-equipped forensic department. Experts from other states, doctors and nurses of Jennings, police officials attended the seminar. The national seminar is organized by Forensic Medicine Department Jennings under Continuing Medical Education, CME.
Government society so forensics level 3 upgrade upgrade forensic science ki mating lower investigation police officers in investigation criminals maran conviction pilana conference
Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam today asserted that government can call a special session of the Assembly even before September 21 if there is consensus on the bill to protect indigenous people of the state. Gai Khangam also said the only business left for the Assembly is the bill for the protection of the indigenous people. But the government is still waiting for a consensus on the draft bill as there is an apprehension of similar outcry if the government go ahead and pass a bill not accepted by all the stakeholders. mention may be made that JCLPS has been demanding a special session of the Assembly by September 21 to pass the bill for the protection of the indigenous people of Manipur.
JCLP mokoi ki drop over pi pira matu puna makto mayam ya jamin jara bra ba se khoi opinion do mu share to win ba changi dan ko sarkar ne putho iba JCLP ne putho iba adu mayam chu jamin na bra de adu kan horen mayam do jamin na ba pot oidra ba dik matu kari thokara ba matu apprehension do ko adu matu thuna jamin na jara ba di 21 September ngai roi haba aduna tawdabadi puthokado pot se practical oiba oithokpiya ba pot am ohen khisi haijaba danida.
Coordinating body Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee today appealed to the people of the state to take part in the mass rally to be held on September 18, demanding inclusion of Meitei in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, convener of the coordinating body Mutum Churamani also appealed to all concerned not to call for ban, general strike or block it on September 18. He also urged the government to reschedule the written test for job recruitment in some departments on the day to another date and extend support to the mass rally.
Mitai na schedule gi list chal hogdabagi awat pa ma leiriba se ngasi gi lengak loising sina khangbiraga akhanna ba miyeng ama changbirakan tangai phadana ma se schedule list chandaba yadabani haiba wafam si Scheduled Demand Committee gi site gi thamjari hoina chatkadoriba miyam gi khongchat se masi ubirakan ngasi gi lengak loising sina masi tawpham thokpani haiba se masi khangbinana bagi damak khoi tangai phadana khongchat si chatnana ba hona jabani khongchat si chatpa matamda tongan ba sector da leibiriba mipung khuding mangna khongchat si saru yabiu support tawbiduna mapung phan biu haiba wafam si media gi thongda masi thamjari.
At least 10 students were injured in scuffle between protesting students and police personnel during ILPS today. Students of Maharaja Buddhachandra College, Royal Academy Wanghai Ningthem Pukri Mapal and Pioneer Academy Palace Compound today took out a protest rally from Palace Compound to Sanjanthong demanding implementation of inner line permit system in the state this afternoon around 2. Police halted the rally in front of the City Convention Centre and scuffles ensued between the protesting students and the police personnel. As the situation became tense, additional police forces rushed at the scene and fired tear gas shells and smoke bombs to disperse the students. In retaliation, infuriated students pelted stones at the police. However, police put the volatile situation under control on time and prevented further commotion. Meanwhile, similar rally was taken out by students of Enlightened Knowledge Sangakpham, demanding implementation of inner line permit system in the state. Police thwarted the rally at Sangakpham Market. Students who were injured in the scuffle between police and student protesters are admitted at different hospitals in Imphal. First-year student of DM College of Commerce, Mohammad Laisang Khong Fazal, and Class 12 student of Pioneer Academy, Angom Suranjit, who were hurt by tear gas shells in the knee, are admitted at Jenims. Another student, Ilangbam Brojit of Brighter Academy, New Chekon, is also admitted at Jenims due to suffocation from smoke bomb. 10 students, including 6 girl students of Royal Academy of Science, Wanghai, were also admitted at Advanced Hospital after they fainted during the commotion. However, they were discharged after administering first aid. R.K. Premjit, son of former Chief Minister R.K. Ranbir Singh, filed 2 public interest legislations (PILs) in the High Court of Manipur against embezzlement of central and state funds by Department of Welfare of Minorities and Other Backward Classes (MOBC) in the distribution of pre-matric and post-matric scholarships under the Department and Department of Fisheries. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, R.K. Premjit said many unqualified and fictitious students were given scholarships by MOBC and many recommended beneficiaries were neither paid any money or paid less by Fishery Department. He alleged that names of many beneficiaries repeatedly appeared and there were evidences of official collusion in misappropriating the funds.
पैसा लोइना लोइथोक्रे अदुगो होयरेस थबक जुम लोइदेल अदुगा बैलेंस लाक्तरेन मुक्त गाइरे बैंक अकाउंट बैलेंस ता एलडीए के नमोय मतम खरा मुक सिक तौरी एमओपीसी अखोय थाग्रे एडमिट तौग्रे मदुदा चंडीगढ़ दा पीजीआई दा एमबीबीएस ता मेल लौथोक्रे होयरेस चंडीगढ़ एमबीबीएस तंबगी कनो सीट लेती ओनली पीजी की दने फिशरी की मंत्री मसागी लिलोंग केंद्र दा एग्जांपल निकोसी अब्दुल हैदमी सीरियल नंबर ऑन थोगा तरा मुक लो लेरे में अदे अतैदी बैंक अकाउंट चंगदो चंगद्रे अदे लौथोकदो लोय लौथोक्रे then I am filing this month Agri Education Indira Awas Yojana.
Members of Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh today cleaned Hapta Kangjebung on Palace compound as preparation for the visit of BJP National President Amit Shah to the state on September 14. Amit Shah will address a public meeting at Hapta Kangjebung. BJP member Thokchom Satyabrata said the government always ignores Hapta Kangjebung after a major event like Sangai Festival and expressed his desire to keep Hapta Kangjebung clean and usable throughout the year for anyone to use it. As part of the Civic Action Program, 21 Assam Rifles of 28th Sector Assam Rifles presented 2 solar street lights to villages of Aigejang village in Chandel district on September 7. This comes as a great boon for the village where basic amenities like water, electricity and road link are almost non-existent. The Assam Rifles Battalion at Sajik Tampak has adopted Aigejang village for development and is in process of making more development projects in this village. Staff and members of Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council today felicitated ML Dominic Kansowa, who has been conferred doctorate degree by Manipur University. The felicitation was held at Hotel Imphal, not AOC. Staff and members presented gifts to ML Dominic Kansowa at the event. Chairman of Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council, Haukholal Hang Singh, Vice Chairman Thangza Khan Misao, among others, attended the event.
District Council's members say Amaramda, Madam Hanari, Mahoisi Larry Haitaba, Matoba, Ibang was in Khali, Ekoi Marakta, a master degree, Kamarum lay, expect Ozabidi, Hoiki Ingon Lariba, member, Master Sing the Su, MA Sing the Su, Mag Dominic Matung Ilaga, Mahoin Susuma, Dr. Degree. Hibasi, so in the Panglakan Hibasi Taze.
A team of representatives of Outer Manipur Tribals Forum and Joint Action Committee Against Anti-Tribal Bills today met Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah at Raj Bhavan. In a press release, the forum said the team apprised the governor of the 3 bills passed by Manipur Assembly last year. They submitted a memorandum to the governor stating that they will not accept any bill unless steps are taken to nullify the 2 pending bills. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Lengson Birau, Thamaiban DM College Road Telaiba, Eastern Suzuki da. Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna. Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic sing na ningthina service piriba servicing center ki khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani. Loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba su pizari. Ngasi maglengson Birau, Eastern Suzuki, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal, Manipur.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The funeral of Tongbram Suresh has been performed today in his village, Tokpopi in Bishnupur district. The body of the young boy was claimed after the JSC and student bodies came to an agreement with the government yesterday. Students of Residential Kids Care School, Langol, representatives of student organizations and locals attended the funeral in Tokpopi.
सरकार की सहायता की सु अखोगी अपाम खरा फंगनगनी हाइबगी अयाब अमा लेरे हाइबदो पुन्ना खन्ना नैनरबा मतुंगदा महाकी मथौ मंगा मसे ngasi पांगथोकजबनी ngasi पांगथोकलिबा सिदा अखोगी रेसिडेंशियल किड्स केयर स्कूल निचाना तमरमलिबा ओजा सिंग अमदि छात्र सिंग पुनमक फाव याविदुना असि सागे मथौ मंगम पांगथोकजरे अदुबु मतुंग ताबदा हाइरिबा महाकी पांदम सिंग फंगद्रिबा फावबा अदुगु मतिक चाबदंदी मिहार पसिंग अदुदा पीद्रिबा फावबदी अखोई पुन्न खोंजंग चंगमिनगनी.
Members of Manipur Students Federation seized 50 litre of country liquor from the hostel of Government Polytechnic Takel yesterday. Speaking about the drive conducted at the hostel, MSF Vice President Khundrakpam Max said the liquor was seized from 4 students, out of which 3 are contesting in the upcoming students' election in the college. The students were found playing cards and items for smoking ganja were also found in their rooms. He said the hostel committee has been told not only to rusticate the 4 students from the hostel but also not to allow them to contest the election. He warned the student community not to use intoxicants in the upcoming school, college and university elections and that they should take the responsibility for any untoward incident if found using it.
Kariyumba hostel singda ko election namada nisai problem sinaba MSF gi thomisingna ko thengnaba uhoba taragadi khokta general candidate naraga mihut khudimak MSF no sapsaba action lakhogani ha lebi gidariba candidate singna ju ko bol lebada nisai problem sinaba MSF hajari nisa sinaraga election mai pakane khaliba candidate singna khonai sigi afaba taroi haina MSF na lawjade Mamaduna haiba candidate mani adu MSF na election gi describe tahunjabani.
The government has declared September 13 as holiday in connection with Eid-ul-Zuha instead of September 12. Government offices, educational institutions, banks and financial institutions will be opened on September 12, 2016. OPD services at Jenims will be open tomorrow. The OPD service will remain closed on Sunday and Monday on account of Eid-ul-Zuha holiday. Trainees of Special Educated Teacher Training today celebrated Teachers' Day at All Manipur Mentally Handicapped Persons Welfare Organization in Mongsangai. Those who took part in the celebration also paid tribute to ex-secretary of All Manipur Mentally Handicapped Persons Welfare Organization, Chongtham Geetabali. Rural Area Development Association RADA Imphal West headquarters and the people of Top Khabi have been repairing the roads damaged by frequent floods for the last 4 days. The social service will continue for a week to repair the potholes on the road. They have not sought help from the local MLA or any political party for the repairment of the road. How the people appeal to the authority concerned to repair the roads which are lying in deplorable condition. All Jiribam Road Transport Drivers Union and All Jiribam Auto Rickshaw Owners and Drivers Association have expressed concern at the deplorable condition of most roads in Jiribam. In a press release, the two bodies said the condition of roads from Jiribam to Tipaimuk, Laitingkhal, Dibong Khunau, Kadamtala, Jiribam to Vidyanagar, Harinagar, Uchathol and Jiribam to Jarol Pokpi, Kashimpur, Laisabi Thol are in deplorable condition and they face innumerable problems on these roads. They threaten to lodge protests if the local MLA do not repair the roads. Sikkim has been adjudged the cleanest city while Jharkhand comes last in the list on the condition of sanitation in rural areas of 26 states. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's home state, Gujarat, is ranked 14th. The results of the survey carried out in 2015 by National Sample Survey Office NSSO was released yesterday by Union Rural Development Minister Narendra Singh Tomar in Delhi. It has listed Manipur, Kerala, Mizoram, Himachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Haryana, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Meghalaya among the top 10 states. The states which fared poorly in the NSSO study include Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Jammu and Kashmir. The ranking given on the basis of percentage of household having sanitary toilets and using them either household or community toilets. Wahai Aduna Sayolakpa, Book of John, a Manipuri translation of the Bible, was launched today at a function held at Manipur Press Club. Writers and believers in Christianity attended the event. Matam Isai Numid Observation Committee will observe Matam Isai Numid on September 29 and 30 at Lamyamba Sanglen Palace Compound. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, convener of the committee Aizjukin said art enthusiasts of the state will showcase their talents including song, dance and musical instruments. Songs by non-professional artists will also be presented during the two-day event. Aizjukin added that interested individuals or groups may contact the Office of Matam Isai Numit Observation Committee at Yai School for more details. BJP Lamlai Mandal today felicitated weightlifter Saikho Mirabai Chanu, who took part in the recently concluded Rio Olympics at Soambung Community Hall. Member of BJP Lamlai Mandal and State Executive Member K.H. Ibomcha said the felicitation was organized as an encouragement to Mirabai Chanu for a successful career ahead. Several veteran players from Lamlai constituency were also presented with gifts at the event. Mirabai thanked the people of Lamlai constituency for their encouragement and generosity and assured them of winning medal in upcoming national and international competition, including 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Neroka Football Club have once again created history by storming into the final of the prestigious Durand Cup today. In the first semi-final match played at Ambedkar Stadium in New Delhi, Neroka beat DSK Sivajians by 3-0. Sushil scored the opening goal in 35th minute of the match through a penalty kick and took the lead of 1-0 at the end of the first half. Malim added another goal in the 87th minute, while Anand scored the third goal in 92 minute of the match and sealed the match. Neroka will play the winner of the second semi-final between Aizawl FC and Army Green in the final on September 11 at the same venue. Neroka Football Club is the first club from Manipur to play in the Durand Cup, the oldest football tournament in entire Asia. In the 9th league match of the 11th Manipur State League, last year's runners-up FC Zalen Sadai Hills trounced Young Physics Union Nalambung 3-0. Polanland Khongsai netted all the 3 goals for the winners to claim the first hat-trick of the tournament. Southern Sporting Union Singzamay will meet Kainau Library and Sporting Association Kainau in the 10th league match tomorrow. A. Borchan Singh Memorial Inter-College Women's Football kicked off today at Manipur University Sports Complex, Kanchipur. In the first match of the tournament, Bida Mongol College Soambung trashed Manipur University Kanchipur 6-0. The tournament is organized by Department of Sports Manipur University under the aegis of Manipur University Sports Committee. NC Club Khongapad beat Sai RC Takiel 1-0 in the 23rd El Sangita Devi Memorial First Division Football League tournament today. NG Nauta scored a lone winning goal for NC Club. Another match between Group Center CRPF Langjing and Wafa Wangoi ended in a goalless draw. The tournament is organized by Imphal West District Football Association at SKYC Awang Sekmai under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. In the matches of M. Ibobi Memorial First Division League tournament played today, BPYC Basikhong and Nesu Khurai netted 3 goals each to end in a draw. In another match, DOAK Andro beat PRYA Khundrakpom 1-0. Saiboy Waife netted a lone winning goal in the 73rd minute of the match. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Veteran politician and Congress MLA Y. Irabor is leaving Congress to join BJP Manipur Pradesh. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam stresses need for state medical legal service to ensure justice for rape victims. At least 10 students are injured in scuffle between RPS protesters and police at Palace Compound. And Neroka FC creates history by storming into finals of Durand Cup at Ambedkar Stadium in New Delhi.